Alright, this video is on homelite XL12 Super XL12 fuel line replacement. You can go on eBay or online and look for it. It's gonna look like this. I just started this project and then I decided to make this video. So what you want to do is just get it started through here. This end's got that tapered part that goes down in to your fuel tank. Now I'm going to fish this fuel line, and it also comes with a new filter, and the kit also comes with a new air cleaner. They're 16 bucks. But is what you want to do is fish this through, and you're going to have trouble back in here where it comes in. It hits. So when you I'm going to put a little piece of wire on this so I can get a hold of it, and then I'm going to put some oil on here to make this more slippier, and then get that in there. But I didn't see nothing online about these real fuel lines. I seen a guy use one and stuck it through there, but it was so sloppy it would have leaked gas. But this is the real replacement. And I did the carb too. These carbs that like say SDC on them, they're a Walbro carburetor, and you can get the kits. They come with everything you need, but mine didn't come with a spring for the under the fuel, or not fuel pump, but the needle valve. But I used the old one. But alright, that's the fuel line. Look for that and then you'll be up and running. Thanks.